This channel has gained 12,000 subscribers with only 137 videos in under 2 months and has the potential to earn between $383 to $6,100 monthly by using specific YouTube Shorts videos that I'll be teaching you in this video. Another channel gained almost 30,000 subscribers in less than 5 months, and one of their videos has received over 2 million views. Here's a video they posted about 10 days ago, and it has gained over 100,000 views. This demonstrates how quickly one can become popular on YouTube and start making money with shorts. If this doesn't convince you that these videos are currently trending, I don't know what will. Let's watch one of these shorts.
Never forget the 2 people in your life. The person who lost everything just to make you win, your father. The person who was with you in every pain, your mother.
This is not just a regular motivational YouTube short. These guys are doing something absolutely different and new. Let me explain. Instead of posting normal motivational shorts, these channels literally turn motivational speeches into engaging short stories using AI. This way, the YouTube Shorts algorithm will see their content as different and quickly push it to a wider audience. That's why their videos keep getting millions and millions of views. You get the point now, right? To gain viewers' attention, you need to use hooks and a call to action at the end. So stick with me because in this video, I'll be taking you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to create these types of videos using free tools. If you stay till the end of this video, I'll show you the secret these guys use to make every single one of their videos go viral once uploaded, so you too can apply it and start getting millions of views on your shorts. To create these types of shorts, we need an interesting motivational script. For that, we will be using ChatGPT to generate the script for our video. Now, pay attention because there are 2 ways to go about this, the easy way and the complicated way. Since I don't want to make things complicated for my viewers, let's go with the easy way, and we are using script from one of the videos on these motivational channels. If you don't know how to get the transcript of the video, don't worry, I'll show you that as well. Select any shorts, copy the link, head over to this website, just paste the link and click on Get Info. You'll receive the script within seconds. Copy the script and head over to ChatGPT and use this prompt that I'll attach in the description below. Basically, what we are telling ChatGPT in this prompt is that we will be giving it a transcript from a motivational video, and we want it to come up with 5 similar ideas for our own video. Once you get that, let's move to the next step. Now we want to turn the script into a voiceover. You can use your own voice, but in this video we will be using a text-to-speech website called 11 Labs. In case you don't know, this website takes your scripts and then turns them into speaking voices. To use it, just copy your script from ChatGPT and then paste it here in 11 Labs. Now you want to select a voice. I recommend a deep voice like Adam or Marcus, as I found them to be the perfect fit for these types of videos. You can play through and listen to the voices one by one in case you want something even better. So once you're done with that, click on Generate, and in just a few seconds your voiceover will be ready. Then download it. Once that is done, let's go to the next step, getting stock footage. You see, if you really want videos that will quickly go viral, you need to use compelling visuals just like the channels I showed you earlier. I mean, you want to look for something that shows success, for instance, successful people, supercars, vacation lifestyles, or even luxury homes, so your viewers can get hooked in. If you don't know what footage to add, just ask ChatGPT like this. It will generate footage ideas for your script. To get the stock footages, I'll be using a stock footage website. Head over to Pexels and then search for supercars and click on Filter and select Vertical in the orientation to get the right videos. Click on Videos, Playthrough, and then download 3 to 5 different footage you found cool. Now you want to search again, this time for luxury homes, then select videos and download another 3 to 5 footage, and you want to do the same for vacation too. Now that you have your stock footage as well as your voiceover ready, the next step is to combine them all into a single video. For this, you can use any of your preferred editing software. I'll be using CapCut. Now when you're on CapCut, first you want to import your files, including those footages and voiceover. Then first drag your voiceover onto your timeline, and then followed by the stock footage. Now you want to change the aspect ratio of the video to 9:16 since we are creating YouTube Shorts. Once that is done, now you want to do some adjustments to the footage. For example, if it's too fast, reduce the speed, and most importantly, make sure you reduce the brightness of all the footage so it will bring out that dark and motivational vibe. Since people who watch YouTube Shorts have very short attention spans, you want to quickly transition between your footage. So I recommend you set them to show for a maximum of 5 seconds each. So to do that, click on the first footage and then reduce the time to 3 to 5 seconds. Then click on the second one also and reduce it to 3 or 5 seconds too. Then continue doing so for the rest of the footage till the end of the video. Once you're done with that, you want to add transitions. For this, I recommend the fade out transition. Just click on where it says transition. Then find the fade out transition. It looks something like this. And then add it to all the clips one by one. Once that is done, the next step is to add captions. For this, we will be using a feature called Auto Caption. In CapCut, just head over to the text area and then click on where it says Auto Caption and then Create. In just a few seconds, your caption will be ready. Now you want to edit it to make it look more attractive. To do this, just click on where it says Template in the top right corner, then play through and select the template you found better for your video. You can also change the color, play around with the sizing, and probably change the fonts also to make it look great overall. With all that done, your video is now ready. But wait, what about background music? You see, I would have suggested you use music from Pixabay, but I promised at the beginning of this video to show you exactly how to go viral with these types of shorts. So here's the secret. We will be using music from YouTube itself. Just like TikTok or Instagram, YouTube Shorts favors videos that use trending music on their platform. So just go back to CapCut, export the video, and then while uploading it on YouTube Shorts, just click on where it says Sounds, and make sure you look for cool background music from the sounds recommended for you, and then use it. Don't forget to reduce the sound before posting it. Consistency is key on YouTube, so aim to upload at least 4 videos per day. This way, your short is all set up properly for the virality. Now let's take a look at what we just created.
Life throwing lemons at you? What if I told you that staying positive in a negative situation is the ultimate superpower? Get ready for a mindset shift. Negativity is a storm. Positivity is your umbrella. Choose to stay dry and dance in the rain of life. Life is 10% what happens to us and 90% how we react to it. Positivity is a choice. In a world full of can't, be a can and watch how your world transforms. Spread positivity like confetti. Subscribe for your weekly dose of good vibes.
If you enjoyed it, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out on ideas and tutorials just like this one. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative.